Hello everyone, my name is Shweta. I'm a professional makeup artist specialized in bridal makeup. You can find me on Facebook and Instagram by the name Artistry by Shweta. I have been associated with Vidu for almost 3 months now, and my journey so far has been amazing. And after joining Vidu, I was introduced to many other women entrepreneurs dealing with different kinds of products. And in fact, along with their products, I was amazed to look at their passion and dedication. And every woman comes from a different background and experiences, and yet we all support each other. And the concept of meet and greet at WeDo is such a wonderful opportunity, to know each other and to promote each other as well. And I'm actually a very proud member of WeDo, and I would strongly recommend women entrepreneurs to be a part of this family, and also the women who are actually looking forward for a platform to promote your products or services, or if you have a desire to become an entrepreneur, then your search ends right here at WeDo. And last but not the least, I would like to thank Kadambari, who's the founder of WeDo, and for creating such a progressive platform for women. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Have a great day.
Hi, hello. என்னுடைய பேர் சாரதா கோபாலகிருஷ்ணன். நான் ஒரு பேபி ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபர். என்னுடைய ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் வித் வீடு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா க்ளோஸ் டு அரௌண்ட் 3 years ஆக போகுது. ஸோ எனக்கு நிறைய ரெஃபரல்ஸ் கிடச்சிருக்கு. பட் ஐ வுட் லைக் டு டாக் ஆன் ஒன் ஸ்பெசிஃபிக் ரெஃபரல் விச் வாஸ் அ பிக் ரெஃபரல் தட் ஐ கிராக்ட். நான் வந்து பேபி ஃபோட்டோகிராஃபி அண்ட் த அதர் பர்சன் வாஸ் இன்டு பேபி ப்ராடக்ட். ஸோ இட் வாஸ் அ கமர்ஷியல் ஷூட் அண்ட் என்னால் அதை ட்ராக் பண்ண முடிஞ்சதுக்கான காரணம் என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா இட் வாஸ் அ ரெஃபரல் ஃப்ரம் அ வீடு பியூ மெம்பர். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி நாட் ஜஸ்ட் வித் ரெஃபரல்ஸ் பட் ஆல்சோ நிறைய லேர்னிங்ஸும் எனக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு ஃப்ரம் த வீடு பிளாட்ஃபார்ம், அண்ட் இட்ஸ் அ வெரி குட் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் வித் ஆல் அதர் amazing women entrepreneurs. So நீங்க ஒரு women entrepreneur இருக்கீங்க, and if you're looking for a solid platform to develop yourself in terms of learning, in terms of business skills, I think Vidu is the right place for you. Member ஆங்க நம்ம peer group உள்ள meet பண்ணலாம். And I'm Sharada Gopalakrishnan, someone who takes you back in time. Bye bye.
Hi, this is Vidya Lakshmi from JP Garments, Hero. I'm a proud Vidu member. Okay, are you a women entrepreneur looking for a women only forum, non-competitive forum, pan-India forum? Then you are in the right place. Join. I strongly recommend Vidu because I am in this forum for the past 6 months. My business has been increased drastically with the support of these members. So you also do join and enjoy the benefits of WeDo. Okay, we welcome you. Let grow as we let grow. Be the change to make the change.
Hi, I am Shubhangi, co-founder of Tulips and Daffodils. We deal with nursery products. So what do we do with tulips and daffodils, and what help we require? So we started producing lots of organic saplings, chemical-free saplings, chemical-free potting soil, and powered vermicompost, everything. But our production was more, but when we wanted to start a business, we didn't have a clue of it. And that is where we approached WeDo. So from registration of our business and what kind of registration we need to go at this point of time, where we stand in business, or even whether we need to start a business, or how do we approach on what our thoughts and passions are, and what is the next level after registration, how to build a brand, whether it comes to a website design or whether it comes to a social media marketing, all these guidance were given by WeDo. WeDo gives you training on also how to pitch in your product or market your product, or in which group you have to market, whether even though you know good marketing, whether the group which you're marketing is the right forum or not. What WeDo does. WeDo is a women entrepreneurship forum. So what it does exactly for women like us. So one thing, women like us, we have equal passions like all. But as we grow, as the responsibilities grow with us, we forget to see what is our passion, and by the time we finish our routine work, we really get tired and we just put our passion on hold. So people who are very interested to start something, especially women who are very interested to start something, or even have a thought that I want to start it, but whether it will work out for me or not, yes, that's a question. That's the answer from me personally, that yes, we need to approach WeDo to first understand whether we can have this pitch or not for business. Secondly, yes, I have a business in hand, I have a product in hand, but I don't know how to start it. Yes, this is the right forum for y'all to approach. And many people might think that, many women might think that I am held up with so much of work and responsibilities, especially my routines like cooking, babysitting, cleaning, so much. But I still have a passion. I don't know how to balance it. Yes, this is the right forum for y'all to approach, because WeDo doesn't see only the business aspect of us. For women to come up in society or with their personal passion, WeDo ensures that they look into our personal time balancing as well when it comes to business. So they give appropriate advices individually, knowing the little background of what exactly will work for an individual. Yes. For established business, or if you have started a business, still you want to expand it, establish it, or put new strategies into it, yes, this is the right forum. Approach WeDo. I support WeDo. Let's grow as we let grow.
Good evening, everybody. I'm Usha Vijayaraghavan, a life coach and NLP master practitioner. That's a small introduction about me. Now about WeDo. I know WeDo for past 3 to 4 years. I wanted to do some business after my retirement. So I was wondering what to do. 3 years back, I walked into WeDo office based on an advertisement for a walk-in consultation. I went there. I found Kadambari, the founder. She told me various methods and various things I can do based on the interest I showed. I gathered all the information. And after my retirement, I was wondering what to do, because the information which was given to me was very, very useful and it motivated me. But still I could not decide what to do. But the moment I entered that WeDo meeting, when I saw ladies doing different businesses, oh my God, I never thought women could do these businesses. I was surely sapped when I saw them. I took a decision. I joined WeDo. And now I'm an entrepreneur, and I really thoroughly enjoy being in this ecosystem where we promote each other's business. We create visibility for them. And what happens is, your business also gets visible. It is a small mantra. It is not something new. Let grow, let us grow. That is WeDo. I urge all the women entrepreneurs there to join WeDo Work Pure and benefit immensely